Good morning students. Today is 13th August 2020. I am going to take an English class for you. Poem The Ant and the Cricket. Appreciation, last stanza appreciation. See here. See the poetic lines. Go then, says the ant, and danced the winter away. Thus ending, he hastily lifted the wicket, and out of the door turned the poor little cricket. Fox calls this a fable. I warrant it true. Some crickets have 4 legs, and some have 2. See the first question. The ant refused to help the cricket. Why? Because the ant could not tolerate the laziness of the cricket. See the next question. Explain the second line. Why did the ant do according to the second line? Thus ending, he hastily lifted the wicket. See here, the ant stopped talking and closed its small gate hurriedly. Next question is here. Did the ant help the cricket? How do you say? No, the ant did not help the cricket. We can say it because the ant hastily closes its small gate. See the next question. What did the ant angrily tell the cricket to do? The ant angrily told the cricket to sing and dance now also. See the next question. What does the poet indicate in this phrase? Some have 2. What does this mean? Some have 2 refers to some human beings who behave like the cricket. The poet indicates them as the 2-legged crickets. See the rhyming scheme. What is the rhyme scheme of the above lines? Underline the last poetic lines. Last word, away, wicket, cricket, true, 2. Put A. Then for wicket and cricket, write B, true to C. So what is the answer? A, B, C. Next question is, pick out the rhyming words in the above lines. Wicket, cricket, true, 2. Now next question is, pick out the words alliterated in the 4th line. Fox, fable. What is the figure of speech mentioned here? Metaphor. Now see the summary of this poem. You have to write the summary. Also, it's a 5-mark question. See here, in this narrative poem, the poet brings out the idea that is essential for every creature. He conveys this message to the readers through a story of an ant and a cricket. The ant spends all its summer saving for the future. The cricket sings and dances happily in the summer. He does not save anything for the winter. When winter comes, he is worried that his kitchen cupboard was empty. So he seeks the help of the ant to have some grains and warm place to stay. The cricket was even prepared to repay it in the future. The ant made it clear that they never borrow or lend. He also inquired the cricket if it had saved anything when the weather was fine. The cricket answered that it had sung day and night, enjoying the pleasant nature. The ant threw the cricket out and stated in a stern voice it should dance in the winter season too. Thank you, children.